Yo, how goes it, everybody? Welcome to another video, I guess vlog or whatever you guys want to call it. Right now we're pretty much at skate park here in Tempe, Arizona. But I wanted to talk to you guys about my interest in Snapchat and kind of what I think about it now. As basically we've seen that Snapchat had really tanked when they started changing the UI and how things looked. It really hurt Snap Inc. And recently, it was like a month ago, Snapchat decided to finally do something that we needed done for the longest time. And they updated and optimized Snapchat for Android, which is a huge big deal. You guys would, for those who have an iPhone and use Snapchat, you guys will never know exactly the struggles that Android users went through when it came with Snapchat. It was ridiculous. It was buggy. It was just slow. Video recording was just annoying. And one of the things that I did read up on when it came to Snapchat was that when you used to snap a photo on Android, initially it wasn't using the camera to snap that photo. It was like doing like a screenshot. So when you hit to take a snap, it was literally like screenshotting the screen when the camera was open to process an image. So something like this, instead of it actually like taking a video, in a sense, well, I guess you could say it was, but it was more like a screen record. And so, those are some of the various things that I read up on when it came to Snapchat. And I don't know entirely how true that is, but I can say that the way that Snapchat functions now on Android compared to what it did before, it is 100 times more faster at processing images and things like that when you take a snap. And that's a good thing. That is a good thing, because there's a lot of influencers who don't use iPhone and would rather use an Android phone and are on Snap and considered influencers on Snapchat. So if now that it's that good, what are some things that Snap Inc. could do that could possibly make the experience better, not just for the average consumer on Snapchat, but for influencers on Snapchat? And what are the things that I've been saying that they needed to add to Snapchat that they have not done? And I don't know if they ever make plans to do so, but I hope that they are considering it. And that is the ability to do live streaming from Snapchat. Snap Inc., for whatever reason, if you guys are trying to distance yourselves so people don't sit there and make little different things about it and say, oh, you guys are trying to be like Instagram because Instagram has Instagram Live and blah, blah, blah. Facebook has Facebook Live, YouTube and YouTube Live. You kind of got to put that aside and compete against those platforms. You got to compete against them, Snap Inc., because you have a lot of influencers on Snapchat who have a lot of followers. And it's already kind of hurting when your Snap influencers have to recommend their followers to catch a live stream on a different platform, like telling their followers to catch live streams on Periscope or follow them on Instagram, which is Snapchat's competitor in a way. So if Snapchat could actually engage with their influencers and give the ability for people to live stream on Snapchat, would be huge for not only Snap Inc., but for the influencers on there. And then two, if they do actually decide to open up the ability to live stream, do not just close it off only to influencers, because there are a lot of people who are on Snapchat that maybe don't have the influencer status, but regularly post on Snapchat, have a huge amount of following, and would love to engage with them in a live social interaction. So that is one thing that I think that Snapchat should definitely do, is open up a live streaming capability and literally have it to where you could live stream on Snapchat. That's something that definitely. Another thing that Snap Inc. could focus on with Snapchat that would really kind of help out is their video chatting capabilities. So with Snapchat, you can video chat or make phone calls to other Snapchat users. Problem is that it's so super buggy that when you try to use the video calling capabilities on Snapchat, you end up with either some bug issues happening or just literally tanking, or it being like super laggy and super stuttery. It doesn't help. So those are some of the things that I think Snap Inc. could definitely fix and focus on. But other than that, that's what I think right now. Snapchat is cool. I mean, you know, it's mostly for youngins, I'll say that. But I am on Snapchat, and I do share stories from time to time. So I'll have my Snapchat username in the description of the video. If you guys want to follow me on there and just catch up on what I do day to day, that's cool. But other than that, those are the two things that I think that Snap Inc. and Snapchat should fix. So if you guys enjoyed today's little vlog video here at the park, you guys let me know. Drop a like to let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Leave feedback on what you guys think. If you guys are on Snapchat, post your Snap username, and I will follow you guys. Or you guys can just follow me, whichever, doesn't matter. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching.